get to it. So first, we have our camera backpack. I think it's a backpack. This backpack's pretty nice. Maybe you pronounce that something somewhere else, but it is pretty dope. Has all your slot. That's inside. What else? We have our pro size high definition AF wide angle lens. There you go right here. Hopefully you guys can see that too. I'll give you guys a close up in a few. There's that. Flashlight that goes on top of the camera if you want to do some nice pictures. Need some lighting, come in handy as well. I'm not too familiar with the camera. This is my first Canon. This is my first camera. Normally I use the my phone camera, and this is what I'm using now to record, and that is recording in 4K. So I'll probably upload the video in HD, not HD, 1080p, and yeah. So that's that. Oh, these are USB chargers I bought on Amazon. It came with the same package, but that was not part of the Canon kit. But these are pretty nice. Put that to the side. Okay, alright, what else? We have our travel charger that came with the kit as well. It's pretty cool. The rapid travel charger. Pretty cool. There, what else? What else is in the package? This is another pair of lens. The telephoto lens. Make sure they're in there to begin with. Oh, nice little bag. Oh wow. I thought something like this would be light, but wow. Has a nice little weight to it. Put this back in the box. What else? This is the... What the heck is this? Oh, okay. This is all the cleaning kit. Yeah, the cleaning kit. This is the tripod it came in with, but I think I already have one. The one I'm using now on the to hold the phone, I think it's the same one they sent me. So I purchased another one on Amazon, which is in the office. So I'll show you guys that in a few. Yeah, same one I have. I ain't really like these. These are shitty, really. This is what we all been waiting for, right? All day, I've been checking my Amazon app. Everything's saying, oh, out for delivery, all that. So, I've been waiting for this. Let's throw this box away. make a room. Put that to the side. Get over here. Stay over here.
Black ice on your beat.
This thing is in a box, in a box, in a box. Out there. Something this bad boy up. Ooh. Alright, so we have our Video Mic Go. This is from a Rode microphone. And of course this has, you don't need no battery for this. You just simply plug it in to the camera, plug it into the mic, you're good to go. It's pretty cool. Put that over here. And there she is. I've been waiting a long time for this. Little booklets. Our guidebooks. I don't really need all this shit. I probably will in a few. Register your camera now. Probably. I don't know. Let's see. Who uses these nowadays? Why did they just put a little flash drive in there? Nobody use CDs no more, man. I don't. Right? Oh, nice. It came with this. It has our battery. What is this? The wall adapter for to charge the batteries. And the lens. Oh, man. Alright guys, this is the 18.55 millimeter lens. Now this is the basic one that comes with most of cameras, but eventually I plan on getting more. As of right now, this will do just fine. Yeah, I'm just trying. This will do just fine. Ooh. And for the baby. Nothing else in here. Do this out of the way. Throw this over here. This is the front camera. Ooh. This feels nice. Alright guys, that's it.